Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 12th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your first chapter is relation and function. This is your sixth lecture in this chapter. In previous lectures we discuss about relation. In relation we discuss different types of question and we also discuss function and some types of function just like one function, many one function, onto function, and also we discuss bijective function. Here we continue some types of function extended just like a composition of function. What is composition of function? Now here let f such that a tends to b and g such that b tends to c be two function, then composition of f and g denoted as g of f and is defined by g of f such that a tends to c given by g of fx is equal to g of fx for all x belongs to a. That is, in composition of function defined as, first we takes two function just like a f here taken as f from a to b, and the second one is g from b to c. These two function taken as, then composition of function written as g of f. If g written as first and f written as later, then composition of function written as fog. Fog, that means fog. Here we written as gof and is defined as a to c. Gof dependent a to c, which is g of f x is equal to g of fx for all x belongs to a. This is the format of composition of x. It's clear with one figure. Now here we taken as three set a b c, a to b defined as function f and b to c defined as function g. We take one element in set A, an image of this x is fx through f, and we taken as one element in b, that is fx, image of this fx is g of fx. Now the composition function defined as g o f from a to c. It's also clear. One example is, now here there are three set a b c defined as a to b from function f and b to c from function g. Each set having four elements. Now one image of 1 is 1 and further image 1 of is 2. Image of 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. 3 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2, and similarly this is the function for f and g. For this composition function defined as GOF, which is given below. Here a to c defined as 1 goes to 1 and further 1 goes to 2, so image 1 goes to 2. 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1, so 2 goes to 1. 3 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2, so 3 goes to 2. 4 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 3, so 4 goes to 3. This is the composition function of GOF. Similarly in figure we understand this. Now some mathematical form we written as here. Find the composition of f and g with fx is equal to 5x minus 3 and gx is equal to 3 minus 2x. Given that fx is equal to 5x minus 3 and gx is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now we find out composition of f with g. That means composition of f with g, that is fog of x. Fog, that means f of gx. Now putting the value of gx here, 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2x. We know that fx equal to 5x minus 3. In place of x we written as 3 minus 2x. Now 5x minus 3 change into 5 in bracket 3 minus 2x minus 3. After solving we get 12 minus 10x. This is the f of g of x for this. We can also understand some examples here. Let second example is, let f such that 2 3 4 5 tends to 3 4 5 9 and function g defined as 3 4 5 9 goes to 7 11 15 be the function defined as f2 is equal to 3, f3 is equal to 4, f4 equal to f5 is equal to 5 and g3 equal to g4 is equal to 7 and g5 equal to g9 is equal to 11, and find GOF. Using GOF we also written as GOF in the form of g of fx. Now written as g of fx, last term is in bracket given as fx, so we also only discuss about this function f with this element. This element means 2 3 4 5. Now we find out GOF for 2, we found GOF for 3 and 4 and 5. For 4 element we find out GOF. Now g of f, first element is 2, now g of f2. Now this is written as g of f2, that means g of f2, and value of f2 given as 3, we put 3, and value of g3 is given as 7. So value of g of f2 is equal to 7. Now second one is g of f3. Now second element putting as 3. G of f3 means g of f3. Value of f3 is given as 4. So this is g4. Value of g4 is given as 7. So it is 7. Now third value is 4. G of f is 4. Now it's written as g of f4. Value of f4 is given as 5. f4 is 5. g5. Now g5 is given as 11. So value is 11. So g of f4 is 11. Now last g of f5. Now last element is 5. G of f5 is written as g of f5. Value of f5 is given as 5. Now g5, and value of g5 is 11. So it is 11. So this is the GOF. Now if here written as, also we in this question we find out fog f of g. When f of g is written as, then we check out this 4 element. Now this is the format of this systematic form of the question. Using this lecture you can solve your homework. Your homework is find fog and GOF f of g and g of f if f such that r2r and g such that r2r are given by fx equal to cos x and gx equal to 3x square, and also so that f of g not equal to g of f. Now your second question is find fog f of g and g of f if fx is equal to 8x cube and gx is equal to x power 1 by 3. And the third question is if fx equal to 3 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3, then find f of fx. These 3 questions you can solve using this lecture. Also we try your exercise. Using this lecture you can solve your exercise, some put-ups question. Thank you.